Hello out there, you are welcome to Fortitude Shammah Craft. Today we'll be learning how to make this crinoline loop design, and I'm going to teach you how to attach it to Harley's band and felt. One of my students requests for this, so let's start. If you are watching my video for the first time, kindly support us by subscribing to this channel, like, share, comment for others to benefit. And we thank our returning subscribers. God bless you in Jesus' name. All right, let's go to the tutorial in detail. So these are the material we are going to use for this tutorial. This is measuring tape, scissors, 3 inches crinoline, felt. You can use any type of felt you want. Then Alice band. This is the tiny one and the bigger one. This is feather. We have different types of feather. This is another one. So then we need thread and needle. Thread and needle, UHU gum or hot gum. So these are the material we are going to use. So you are going to measure 60 inches of your crinoline, then fold it into 2 and iron this way. 60 inches for each. 60 inches for each. So fold it into 2 and iron it. If you want to make it bigger than mine, you can measure 60 inches in 2 places. For one, you know we are making two design. One will be the same design on 2 places, in 2 places. So one will be on Harley's band, the other one will be on felt. So the same design in 2 places. So if you want yours to be more bulky than mine, you can measure 60 inches for each. I mean 60 inches in 2 places for each. Sorry. So then the black crinoline is 20 inches each. 20 inches. So you are going to tie the edge with your thread. Tie the edge with thread, and that is what I will do now. I'm doing it to all the crinoline we have. I'm tying the edge. So after tying the edge, you are going to form your loops. So in this form, just look at what I'm doing. You are going to make it interwoven. Make sure the circle you are forming are equal. I'm inserting it inside each circle to form my loops. If you don't get it at once, please watch it again to get how to form your loops. So hold it at the center and tack down. If you cannot, you can be tacking it bit by bit. If you cannot tack it at once, tack it bit by bit. So I'm going to tack mine down. I will make sure I pick all the one I hold at the center and tack it down firmly. If you have watched my video to this extent and you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on your notification button so that you can be getting updates. Like, share, and comment. We appreciate our returning subscribers. So I want to add the black crinoline now to form the loop. You just have to be creative. Can you see it? So I'm going to tack it down. You can use any length you want. Yours can be bigger than this. You can make it double of what the measurement I gave you. That's 60 inches. And for the black, you can make it double as well. You can increase it. So the loops is ready. So I'm going to place it on felt in this form, then tack it down. So I will tack it to the felt. So I want to cut little feather to cover the rough edges at the center. You can put flower, you can put your feather to make it more beautiful. Can you see it? So you can add more flower or feathers to beautify it. So I want to tack the feather down a little bit. You can use your UHU gum to gum the feathers down, or your hot gum. Just make sure you make it firm. When you are making yours, tack the Alice band before you put the flower. Tack the Alice band to it before you put your flower to cover the rough at the center. So we want to put our Alice band. Look at the way I place the Alice band. Can you see? Then tack down to the felt. You will bring it out from one side, then cross the thread over the Alice band to the felt. From left to right, cross the thread over the Alice band, then tack it down to the felt. That's what I'm doing here. So I want to cover the thread. Just cut a piece of fabric, apply your UHU gum and use it to cover the thread on that Alice band. So I'm applying gum to those opening to make it neat. So we are through with that. Let's work on the Alice band. We want to place the design on Alice band. So you can cover your Alice band with fabric or trimming. So what I want to do now, I will take my thread and needle, then pick. There is fabric on my Alice band, so I want to pick it. Can you see I've picked it? Then I will tack it to the loops that I made. So after that, I'll be bringing it out, trimming the thread and the needle left and right to cross the thread over the Alice band. I will cross the thread over the Alice band. So I'm crossing the thread now over the Alice band. So just make sure you tack it firmly. It's very firm on the Alice band. So I want to cover that thread. I want to cover it, just cut piece of thread, and before I do that, I will apply gum. That is piece of fabric. I will apply gum. Then you can make use of your UHU gum. It will gum. Make use of your UHU gum if you don't have hot gum. So you gum it down. I don't have UHU gum, that's why I'm using hot gum. Make use of your UHU gum. Apply it on the fabric, then use it to cover the thread. Then apply your gum as well on the flower to cover the rough thread at the center. So we are through making our design. This is the outcome on it. We have it on Alice band, and we also have the same design on the felt. So can you see how beautiful it is? If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly do so. Turn on your notification button so that you can be getting updates. Like, share for others to benefit. Thank you for watching Fortitude Shammah Crafts. Loves you. See you in next tutorial. Bye.